Whales going mad as Shiba Inu, another wallet, as 3.37 trillion SHIB. Trade volume is up 100%. And let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. This is the captain speaking. It seems like Shiba and whales is usually in a conversation almost every single day. Now, what's happening? Whales are swallowing Shiba. That's what's happening at a rapid pace, because I do think they know something that's coming. Now, interested in Shiba revive, and Shiba Inu accumulation has not stopped and has no stopping. Another 3.37 trillion SHIB worth $37 million has been gobbled up by a whale. Now, Whale Alert recently reported that a brand new whale scooped up a whopping 3.37 trillion SHIB worth $37 million in one transaction. And you see it right here on the Etherscan confirms the balance of the new wallet. You see the balance there, and you see the value right there in the yellow. One transaction. That's crazy. Now, this is recognized as the second biggest transaction of the day, as reported earlier by Crypto Basic. An anonymous wallet acquired an incredible 3.94 trillion worth $43 million in two gigantic transactions. In this way, a total of 7 trillion SHIB worth $80 million has been accumulated by Shiba and, or I would say Shiba whales, through two separate transactions within the past few hours. We're not talking about a few months, we're saying a few hours. $80 million? $80 million. Now, the reason behind this SHIB or Shiba accumulation is unknown, but it's a signal some development behind the actually scenes. This could be a potential launch of the much-awaited Shibarium, the Layer 2 launch, or the start of a new bull run. However, only time will tell what has activated these Shiba Inu whales. I think something is coming down the pipeline. Why else would you see 3.37 trillion of SHIB right there? And then, not that long ago, from there, another 3.94 trillion combined of over 7 trillion SHIB and a worth $80 million has been accumulated. So we'll see what happens down the road, but the whales know something, so we're gonna keep an eye on this down the road. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.